In this quick and simple video, we'll learn how to delete or remove a photo from Facebook permanently. So if you have a lot of photos posted on your Facebook profile, but you have some photos that you want to delete from your profile so that other people can't see them, then this video is for you. I'm gonna show you 2 different ways on how you can remove the photos, and the process is the same for both iOS and Android devices. Let's open our Facebook mobile application, and then we'll go to our Facebook profile. So I'll just tap on my profile picture right here. We're on our profile, and let's open the photos section. So scroll down a little bit and select photos. This will open a section where we can see all the photos we've ever uploaded on our Facebook profile. I have only 3 photos since this is a new profile, but maybe you have hundreds of photos in here. You can find them by going into a specific album, if you have multiple ones created, or just scroll on this page. Once you find a photo you want to delete, just open it. The next step is to tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner of your screen, and a menu with a bunch of options will pop up. Select the first option, which is this delete photo. Then you'll get a pop-up message that says, "Are you sure you want to delete this photo?" It will also delete your post. This will permanently delete the photo from your profile, and you won't be able to get it back. So make sure you have a copy of the photo somewhere. If you are sure you want to delete your photo from the Facebook profile, simply click on the delete button, and that's it. You can delete any photo by using this method. And I also have another method on how you can remove the photos. We'll go back to our Facebook profile, and then we can scroll through our timeline. Now, if you want to delete a Facebook post that has multiple photos on it, you can tap on the 3 dots at the right side of the post, and then click on the Move to Trash or Move to Recycle bin. We'll get another message that says that the items from our recycle bin will be automatically deleted after 30 days. So the post with all your photos will be stored in the recycle bin, and you can restore the photos within 30 days. We do that by going into the activity log in the Facebook settings. But those are the 2 different methods on how we can delete our Facebook photos from the profile. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below.